What if you could just melt away stress and create more ease in your body with gentle seated stretches you can do in a chair? Hi, I'm Sarah Starr, host of Happy Yoga with Sarah Starr on PBS, and welcome to our 10-day Chair Yoga Challenge. If you're new here, this is a simple, safe program designed for those with stiff joints, limited mobility, or anyone who wants to create more ease in their body, all from the comfort of your chair. So go ahead, get comfy, grab your chair, and let's dive into this relaxing routine together. Namaste. Let's begin our practice for today, focusing on 3-part breath. Sitting tall, place your hands over your belly. With an inhale, feel your navel move away from your spine, and on your exhale, feel your navel slowly draw back towards your spine, breathing in and out through your nose. And in the second part, place your right hand over your right rib cage. Inhale from your belly to your ribs, feeling the expansion of your breath, and when you're ready, exhale belly, then ribs. Adding the third part, place your left hand over your heart. Inhale belly, ribs, and chest, feeling your heart buoyant. Exhale belly, ribs, and chest. Continue with this smooth, even breath as we move through our practice. Step your feet into a wide stance, rooting down through your feet. Place your hands to your thighs, fingertips pointing inward. Inhale, lengthen your spine. Exhale, draw your shoulder towards the opposite knee. Inhale to upright. Exhale, repeat on the opposite side. Continue wrapping this movement around your breath, keeping your core engaged, stretching through your inner thighs, spine, shoulders, and chest. Pausing at center, maintain your wide stance, moving into torso circles. With your hands to your thighs, inhale, circle your torso forward and around. Exhale, circle back. Continue flowing with this movement, gradually increasing your range of motion, creating more space and ease through your chest, shoulders, spine, and abdomen. Stay connected to your breath as you switch directions, moving slowly and gently, allowing this gentle movement to revitalize and nourish your spine. Release and step your feet back to center. Moving into a gentle hip rotation. Clasp your hands beneath your chair. Lift your right leg and begin to circle open and around for an external hip rotation, waking up your right hip. Continue sitting tall as you switch directions, adding an internal hip rotation, gradually increasing your range of motion. Pausing, place your right outer ankle over your left thigh, keeping your right foot lightly flexed and in line with your right knee. Continue sitting upright, relaxing your right thigh open, or to increase this stretch, clasp your hands beneath your chair and lengthen your torso forward out over your legs, folding forward from your hip creases, breathing wide into your right outer hip. Continue breathing deeply as you lift your torso to upright, adding a twist. Draw your right knee in towards your chest with your left hand to your right leg. Inhale, lengthen your spine. Exhale, rotate your torso to the right, placing your right hand behind you for support, gently rotating from your navel, ribs, and chest. Release and repeat this sequence on the opposite side. Clasp your hands beneath your chair. Lift your left leg and circle open and around for an external hip rotation. Continue sitting tall as you switch directions, adding an internal hip rotation. Pausing, place your left outer ankle over your right thigh, keeping your left foot lightly flexed and in line with your left knee. Continue sitting upright, relaxing your left thigh open, or to increase the stretch, clasp your hands beneath your chair and lengthen your torso forward out over your legs, keeping your spine long, folding forward from your hip creases, breathing wide into your left outer hip. Stay connected to your breath as you lift your torso to upright, adding a twist. Draw your left knee in towards your chest. With your right hand to your left leg, inhale, lengthen your spine. Exhale, rotate your torso to the left, placing your left hand behind you for support. Unwind and return to center, moving into a one-legged seated forward bend variation. Extend your right leg forward, flexing through your right heel. Place your hands to your left thigh for support. Inhale, lengthen your spine. Exhale, fold forward out over your legs, keeping your core engaged and your spine long, folding forward from your hip creases. With each inhale, re-lengthen your spine. And with each exhale, gently folding deeper, feeling your mind calm, stretching through your back body. Stay connected to your breath as you lift your torso to upright and release, repeating on the opposite side. Extend your left leg forward, flexing through your left heel. Place your hands to your right thigh for support. Inhale, lengthen your spine. Exhale, fold forward out over your legs, folding forward from your hip creases, keeping your left leg active by contracting through your quadriceps. Release and return to center, moving into a cat-cow stretch variation. With your hands to the seat of your chair, inhale, lift through your heart. Exhale, sweep your arms forward, rounding your spine, chin towards your chest. Continue wrapping this movement around your breath. With each inhale, hands to the seat of your chair, lifting through your heart, tilting your pelvis forward lightly, drawing your shoulder blades down your back, creating a mild back bend. And with each exhale, sweep your arms forward, rounding your spine, lengthening your tailbone under slightly, coiling your navel back, drawing your chin towards your chest, feeling a gentle stretch through your back body. Release and return to center. Inhale, reach your arms overhead, lengthening your spine. Exhale, rotate your torso to the right, reaching your left hand to your right leg, placing your right hand behind you for support, gently rotating from your navel, ribs, and chest. Unwind and repeat on the opposite side. Inhale, reach your arms overhead, lengthening your spine. Exhale, rotate your torso to the left, reaching your right hand to your left leg, placing your left hand behind you for support, allowing this twisting action to provide a gentle massage for your spine and belly organs. Release and return to center. Begin to rub your hands together vigorously, creating warmth, energy. Place your cup palms over your eyes and feel the prana creating balance, releasing tension around your eyes, behind your eyes, and in your mind. Take deep, nourishing breaths and then release your hands, moving into final relaxation. Find yourself in a comfortable position, sitting tall with your shoulders relaxed. Take a few breaths, inhaling through your nose and exhaling through your mouth, allowing any tension in your body to release as you slowly exhale. Bring your attention to your breath, focusing on the sensation of your breath as it moves in and out. Allow your breath to be easy and natural now, as you consciously relax your body one area at a time. Feel your forehead smooth and calm, and all the tiny muscles in your face soften. Relax your jaw and release your tongue from the roof of your mouth and the backs of your teeth. Feel your shoulders relax away from your ears, releasing any tension through your neck and upper back. Feel your arms relax all the way down through your hands and fingers. Bring your awareness to your chest, feeling your heart open. Bring your attention to your belly as you inhale and exhale, releasing any tension. Bring your attention to your back body, relaxing through your low back, mid back, and upper back. Bring your attention to your hips and legs, releasing any fatigue. Feel your feet resting on the earth, releasing any tension or fatigue through the soles of your feet, toes, and ankles. Continue breathing deeply, feeling a sense of calm and relaxation, letting go of any unnecessary effort in your body as you rest. You can stay here resting as long as you'd like, and when you're ready, begin to deepen your breath, adding some gentle movement, waking your body up. Stretch and reach your arms overhead, placing your hands in prayer position, allowing a moment to honor yourself. Namaste. Thank you for joining me for this accessible yoga practice. Take a moment to notice how your body feels. Maybe you're feeling a little more relaxed, a little less stiff, or maybe just a bit more centered and calm. If you're loving this challenge and want the full program organized and easy to follow, head on over to my streaming site, happyyogaondemand.com, where you can find this series plus hundreds of more sessions for every level. I guarantee your body will thank you. And remember your happy yoga smile. Namaste.
Now that was good.